Here I have VIVO V20 SE, and today I'm going to show you how to remove screen lock from this device in case that you set yourself PIN, password or any other type of screen lock. And you forget it, unfortunately, you can't unlock your device. So what you have to do in this kind of situation, firstly, you have to turn your device off by holding down power key. And after it turns off completely, you have to hold down combination of keys, power key and volume up at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. After that you will end up in this kind of menu. Here you have to use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and you have to select the second option, recovery mode. In the following menu you have to tap clear data and then tap clear all data, and then confirm it by tapping OK. And after a few seconds data will be cleared. And you have to tap return and restart your device, and it will be restarted in about a minute or so. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.